Hey guys, so in this quick video, we're just going to go over the parts of a parabola. And so we can see here the parabola itself is the blue arc, and the roots, the intercept or the x-intercepts, the solutions, the zeros, those we've been talking about solving for the last, I don't know, week or so. The axis of symmetry is right here, and the vertex is the lowest point, the turnaround point, if you would, on this parabola. And then, of course, we have the y-intercept. Now, the y-intercept, let's go ahead and start with that. The y-intercept is the initial value. Just like in our linear functions, the y-intercept was the initial value in real life. And so this started at time 0, or at whatever 0, we started at -3 units. Okay, maybe we're talking about a dolphin or something swimming under the water. It started at time 0 at -3 feet. Then we go to the vertex. Let's talk about the vertex. The vertex is the maximum or minimum point. Now here, it is the minimum point. On this one, we're going to see that it could also be a maximum point. So this is the highest or lowest value on the graph. Okay, depending on if it opens up or if it opens down, and we'll talk about that again in a second. The axis of symmetry is the x value of that, or is the line that includes the x value of the vertex. So x equals a number. That's a vertical line. Remember, x equals a number is a vertical line, and that line includes the vertex. Okay, and now what symmetry means is that if we folded this parabola on this line, then all of these points would match up, line up right on top of each other. And so, yeah, if we fold it here, then these would all be the same. This point is 2 jumps away from the axis of symmetry, just like this point is 2 jumps away. And that's true for all points on a parabola like this. All right, then we have the x-intercepts. And those are the solutions. That is where x equals 0. That's not true. Sorry, that's where y equals 0. Y equals 0. And normally in real context problems, this is when the height is 0. Now, it could be other stuff like profit, but when we're talking about trajectories and things, this is where the height is 0. Like if this were the swimming depth of a what did I just say? A dolphin, then whenever it is up here at time 3 seconds, then it will be at surface level. Okay. And I think that is everything. The y-intercept, the vertex, the axis of symmetry, and the solutions. Yep. Okay. So that right there, those are the parts of the graph, the important parts. Now, other points can be important, like at 2 seconds, how deep will the dolphin be? So that would be over here at x equals 2, and the depth of the dolphin is still -3 feet. Okay, so looking at this, we have these two graphed already. It tells us the line of symmetry, and that includes the vertex. The vertex is at the point 1, -9. That's just the coordinate here. The y-intercepts are, I'm sorry, there's only one. Yeah, I don't know why they put an S there, because on a parabola, there will only ever be one y-intercept. But yeah, the y-intercept is here at -8. The x-intercepts are given. And the shape, this opens upward. So this is a positive parabola. So this, we just put it into a grapher like Desmos. If you have a graphing calculator, you can type it in there and all of the relevant points will be very easily accessible. What we're going to be looking at later, or here shortly, is how to interpret this for our purposes. So this one, the line of symmetry is 0. The vertex is 0, 4. The y-intercept is also at 0, 4. That's just a lucky happenstance, isn't it? The x-intercepts are here and there. And this is a negative parabola. You can tell because the lead coefficient, that first x squared term, is negative, and so that will open downward. All right, so that's pretty much all I have here. Now let's get on with the basketball activity. Bye-bye.